What is up, guys? We hopping on the scooter today. And yeah, we're just about to ride around. Get it, boys. We out and girls. Oh, yeah, we rolling out. Let's go, chat. Oh, let's go that way. Let's go that way. Let's turn around, We're going the other way. We gotta go left this way. This truck and this white car. And the cars. Oh, I'm just. Let's go. Oh. It is mad bumpy on this road, chat. Oh my god. Oh gosh. Let's go down here. Slow. Okay, let's see the whole holler. Not too shabby. There's like no one there, but. Alright, we're just gonna be riding down here. What is big ass truck going on? Big old truck doing down here. Oh my gosh, y'all probably can't hear me. It's so windy. I don't have my mic on me today. Who's that? Oh, we're down at the pond. Yeah, I'm telling y'all cannot hear me, bro. It's so gosh dang windy. It was just cloudy. They said there was a chance of rain. I don't think it's gonna rain. Take a look. See the pond right there. See if I can see any fish. Let's see if we can see any fish. I'm scared there's gonna be something here. Look at the bird. Oh my god, what is that noise? I don't know where it went. Alright, let's go over here. Chattanooga, 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 choo choo. Okay, okay. What do we got going? Oh yeah, I caught my PB. It was like a 4-pounder, 3 maybe, like high 3s, low 4s. And it was out of this little puddle on like a rainy day. It was this little puddle, and it was just filled with bass. It was like one little rainy. Oh, there's a little bug right there. Oh, this little puddle. It's all cooked right now, but I'm telling you, on the rainy days, it's peak over. Look at that dragonfly. All right, so let's go over here. Oh wait, shit, my camera is falling. There we go. Very bumpy over here, I'll tell you that. Very bumpy right here. Ooh. Alright, I think we're gonna turn around. Should have brought my fishing rod over here. Content. Whoa! I almost died right there. Oh my god, that's pretty. big little like drop. As we're going down the trail. Prepare for a bumpy ride. Oh God. Oh jeez. Oh man. It's bumpier than I. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, is that a bump? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Oh hell no. Oh, oh, oh. Oh my goodness. That's like just wild. That's just like wild. Like, yo. I'm getting kicked around. Oh. Well, drifter. Going on this big ramp. Is that a police? No, it's not. It looked like a police officer. I don't think a police officer would be happy with us doing this, but it's okay. It'll be okay. Oh God, this is scary. Oh my gosh. It's hot. I'm not gonna lie. Now we speed up. We go fast. Oh. 17? Not too bad. Thought I had it paused, but it's not paused. We're okay. We're gonna go up there. So, yeah, let's go up there. Alright, we're on the ramp. It's not a ramp. The sidewalk is it's insanely steep. And bro, this wind is just it's probably, y'all probably can't even hear me. What's that noise? Let's go. We're just getting ambushed by this wind, bro. Got a good old roundabout on this sidewalk roundabout over here. What do we got going? What is this? Some earmarks or something. Not earmarks. Coyote yelling. Alright, we're gonna turn right here, I believe. Alright. Good. Let's Ooh, gosh. Oh, 19? Oh, shoot. There's sprinklers. I can't go this way with my phone. Frick, dude. I did not know this. Yeah, I didn't know there was sprinklers over there. I mean, the wind, bro, is just insane. Oh, my gosh. Bro, the wind is just like, golly. Y'all probably can't hear me. What's that? A surf. Spam. Span? Spam. There's people on the bus. Oh, it's a driver. Bus. It's a bus that goes on. Oh, man, I'm going to... That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. There's clearly a storm coming in, so I'm wrapping this one up. Peace. Have a good one.